Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, and today I'm coming to you with a small haul. Now this is a combined haul. It's of some makeup I purchased and also some items from Scentbirds. So if you're interested in seeing this kind of video, you know what to do. Stick around. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please feel free to click that red subscribe button you see down below, and next to it a bell will appear. Click that bell and that bell will notify you each and every time I upload a video. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you for coming back, my creatives. You know you have my heart. Okay, we're going to start with ColourPop. Now, I'm going to show you the box in, so in case you want to order this, you can see the number. Okay, I got some mascaras called Black on Black. A lipstick. And then I got two lippy pencils. Now I'm going to show. I've been wanting to try this. It's supposed to be an ultra volumizing mascara. So I'm always looking for something to make my lower lashes a little bit longer. Okay, there's Good Karma. And there it is on my hand. Oh, I like that. And then the next, I'm going to show you the lippies. Here's the first number of the first lippy pencil. Here's the color of the cap. And then the first mark is what it looks like. That's the number. Here's the cap. And then the last line here on my hand. I got neutral color lippies for me. I really needed some more lip pencils, and I like the way these go on. So here are the items that I ordered from ColourPop. I like their pencils, their lip pencils, and their lip gloss or matted lipsticks, the liquid glosses. They look really nice on you. So I wanted to order more. So next I'll be showing you what I got from Scentbirds. This is what came in my Scentbirds bag. Okay, they sent me a sample of Get a Room in this small container here. It smells really nice. The one I love the most is one that is in the gold container. And the fragrance I received is Juicy Couture. I love this scent. In here is the gold or the copper color container. You know I'm a copper lover, so that's what sold me from the beginning. You know it always comes with this little suede pouch, which I like. So guys, this is my scent for this month from Scentbirds, a Juicy Couture. This has been a really short video. I wanted to share with you what I received, and I hope you enjoyed this tidbit of information. Now, if you did, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. And also follow me on my social media accounts. They'll be listed on the screen below as well as in the description box. And as always, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.